Hello, guys. This is episode 1 of our JavaScript playlist. In this channel, we make programming easy, and today we will learn about the log function in Java. The log function in JavaScript is used to display a text on the console. For this video, I will be using Visual Studio Code to write my JavaScript code. To use the log function, write the word console, all lowercase, followed by a dot. After the dot, write the word log, all lowercase again, followed by a set of parentheses without any space. To display a text directly, put the text inside the parentheses surrounded by a set of quotes. And there you go. When we run this, we can see our text in the console. We can also store our text in a variable and then display the value of that variable. Just don't surround the variable with quotes. One common mistake beginners make is to not surround their text with quotation marks. Quotation is important because it tells the computer that we are displaying a string data type, and without it, we will run into an error. We will talk about strings and other data types in upcoming videos. For now, think of strings as a piece of text in programming, or a string of characters. Quotation marks are only used for strings, and you must let the computer know that you are displaying a string or a piece of text by using quotation marks. Another common mistake is to surround a variable with quotation marks. A variable is not a string or a piece of text. It is a placeholder to store a value. Putting quotations will literally display the variable name, so refrain from using quotation marks for variables. You can also display numbers using the print function. However, you don't need quotations for numbers. You can just write it directly. It is because numbers have a number data type. Number data types are used to do math, while string data types are used to deal with text. If you write a number in quotation marks, you will still be able to display it, but it will become a string, so you can't do any math with it. It is more practical to write numbers without quotation marks. We can also display true or false statements in the console. These are called Booleans. We will learn about them in upcoming videos. So don't get yourself overwhelmed. For now, remember 2 things. Number 1, log functions in JavaScript are used to display text on the console. And 2, when writing a string or text, make sure to use quotation marks. It is only needed for strings and is not necessary for other data types. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.